Hey, what's up soldiers, Yaniv here and welcome to Amazon FBA Bootcamp. Today we're not doing a $0 to $10,000 Amazon FBA challenge. We're actually going to do another video where we're going to talk about why DHgate is an amazing alternative to Alibaba. How you can get free shipping, 2 to 5 day shipping, and actually save on the cost of the product. Before we do get into this video, remember that we are still doing this giveaway, the 100 subscriber giveaway, where I will be helping you guys find a $5,000 a month product. I will give you guys $1,000 PayPal cash, and I will mentor you through the process every step of the way uniquely for your product. Click that video to see how you can enter to win that giveaway. Now let's get straight into this video. I want to get this video out there to you guys quickly. Pretty much, you know, I think it was 2 weeks ago I was in Israel. I was traveling, now I'm back here in Canada. But I was looking for a travel adapter when I went up there. So that's why today we're going to be looking at travel adapters here on Alibaba and DHgate, just to kind of compare them. So the thing about Alibaba and DHgate is they are a little bit different. So Alibaba has the, if you look here, you obviously want to check over the trade assurance and the gold supplier, always to try to avoid scammers, you know, random rogue suppliers, I guess. So definitely always check those off before you actually source a product. With DHgate, it's a little bit different. It's called a superior supplier. They actually have to put a deposit down to DHgate to be able to be a superior supplier. So if anything does go wrong, DHgate has money to refund you your order. So that's straight out of the way. There's no scammers. There's no nothing on, don't worry about Alibaba versus DHgate, you know, maybe DHgate having more scammers and stuff. No, guys, it's the exact same thing. Now, in this situation, like I said, we're going to be talking about travel adapters. I found pretty much the two same ones right here. They're literally the same thing, but the prices are different. So in this case, right, it's the universal adapter, and for 500 pieces, you're buying it for $1.56 per unit. On Alibaba, the same thing goes from $2.30 to $4 per unit. So let's say $3. Okay, let's just average out at $3 for 500 pieces, right? So for 500 pieces here, you can actually pick how many you want because the minimum order is 50. So you can even do 50, just the price will go up. So let's just compare them on an equal playing field, and let's just say 500. But on the case of Alibaba, you actually cannot buy it for lower than 500 minimum order quantity. So you have to buy 500 minimum, and you have to spend, let's say, about $3 per unit to get it. On DHgate, you don't. Obviously, you can put in however much you want, but let's say 500, you get $1.56 per unit price, but you also get free shipping. The thing about Alibaba is this price, let's say $3, right, is also not including the shipping. So guys, really quickly, you can see that some products are super good to buy on DHgate rather than Alibaba. So sometimes when you're starting off, you know, you're kind of blinded to everything else. You kind of don't want to deal with it, but sometimes it is worth to look into you know, other means of sourcing your product. In this case, I would definitely recommend going with DHgate just because it's free shipping, it's cheaper, and you have a lower minimum order quantity. Why would you ever, you know, why would you pay more just to be with Alibaba? The thing is with Alibaba, it's become so popular now that the manufacturers know that they can kind of charge more because people are using Alibaba as such like a big search engine. So pretty much all the you know, people who are buying stuff from China kind of look to Alibaba first before they look anywhere else. So they know that, you know, they can increase their prices and kind of get away with it more easily like that. So let's stay one step ahead of the game and look at other sourcing options. Another awesome thing about DHgate is that it ships. So in this case, this product will ship out within 4 business days. Okay, so imagine getting your product in 4 business days. That is incredible. That's unheard of, right? With the product from Alibaba, it will ship out with, I would say, from 10 to 14 business days. That's pretty much the time you're gonna have to wait to get it into the Amazon warehouses. Another great thing about DHgate is you can actually see reviews. So in this case, this product actually doesn't have reviews, but a lot of the times you can find products with reviews. So there's literally people who are writing reviews, the stuff that Alibaba doesn't have. Alibaba has no reviews, no nothing. DHgate most of the time does have reviews. So here, for example, okay, just to show you guys quickly a product that has reviews. When I click on, let's say, this product, it's a different type of adapter. It's not the same thing we were looking at. But if we do scroll down to the bottom, you can see that there's people who write, you know, perfect again. Thank you for fast delivery. Very nice, tight fit. Very satisfied so far. So like, you know, not 100% satisfied. So you have, you know, kind of people to tell you how good the product is that the manufacturer is making. So you don't necessarily have to buy your samples. You don't have to get your samples 100%. So you might just read the reviews and go from there. Another great thing, what it does is it shows you pretty much all their transactions. You can see they've had 35 transaction histories, and you can see when they happened and how many pieces and stuff like that. So it's really nice to be able to see more data and more information about the supplier than you can on Alibaba. So another question I'm sure some of you guys are asking is, can I put my brand or my logo on the product? That question, the answer to the question is yes, absolutely you can. You just need to scroll down until you see message supplier or the seller, sorry. You click on message the seller, and then you message them. Again, you put your email, whatever, you get all your stuff signed up, and then you will message them the same template that you message your suppliers to Alibaba. Hey, this is my your name, the lead purchasing officer at your company. We're looking to blah 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 blah. Okay, so pretty much the same thing, and then they will come back to you and they will say, yes, we can do it, and here's the cost, probably 5 to 10 cents per unit extra to add your logo, but that's the same cost that will be applied to your product in Alibaba. So that's one thing which is really, really great. Another thing about DHgate is that there's products that have 2 to 5 day shipping. So in particular, you can go to products that are selling that are shipping within 2 to 5 days. You can go here and there's a bunch of products that you can search, and you can find products that are going to ship out to you and be there within 2 days. So you can get, theoretically, you can find products that will ship out to you in 2 days. In 2 days. Can you imagine the repercussions of that? If you have a product that you're sourcing from Alibaba, right, you kind of are going out of stock and you're seeing that you're going out of stock, you can contact a manufacturer from DHgate. You can find one that will give you 2 day shipping. By the time your manufacturer in Alibaba, while it's still making, manufacturing the product, you can go into DHgate and actually tell them, guys, I need, 100 units just to hold yourself off until your Alibaba order comes in. So you get those in 2 days, you leave them in your Amazon warehouses, you sell them to your customers, and then by the time that order's done, you can, your Alibaba order hopefully comes in, and then you can sell your product from Alibaba. Or another thing is, I've seen a lot of people, a lot of my seller friends who are actually switching to DHgate just because it's looking like a better option. It's free shipping. Sometimes, most of the times, the products are cheaper because it's not Alibaba, this amazing huge company that everyone is using nowadays, and it has 2 to 5 day shipping. It's almost a no-brainer, guys. Like it's definitely something you want to look in, and definitely something that might help your Amazon business and kind of help even your profitability. DHgate is really, really trying to compete with Alibaba, and I'm really, really liking where it's going and how it's looking, because more competition, it's better for the consumer, which is us. So I'm really happy that DHgate is stepping up their game and is looking to push Alibaba into improving, or if not improving, then stepping aside, because DHgate is here. So I hope this video helped you guys out, and maybe you guys will again consider using DHgate instead of Alibaba for your sourcing needs. Let me know what you guys think of DHgate if you do actually end up purchasing from there. Let me know how your experience was, and whether or not you guys are happy with DHgate. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below. I answer every single comment. I try to help you guys out as much as possible. If you guys did like the video, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, do all that good stuff that does help the channel grow. We are now at like 132 subscribers, guys. That's absolutely insane. Don't forget that I still have that giveaway, so make sure to enter the giveaway, because I'm sure it will help you guys out, and I'm really, really actually looking forward to that, and looking forward to sitting down with one of you guys and actually helping you through the whole process. Anyways, guys, that's it for this video. Check back tomorrow for more videos every single day now, and remember, guys, you're only one product away.